say, except on a person-by-person basis, because it depends on how much you use the doctor. If you use the doctor a lot, it makes no sense because you're paying more per visit. But if you don't use the doctor a lot, it makes a lot of sense. But that use the doctor a lot, doesn't use the doctor a lot, that's where these come in. That's where this comes in, which we'll play with this on Thursday. Okay, nope. Jack's like, I'm not convinced. That's okay. So for Thursday, yeah, if you don't mind throwing the dice back in the bin, that'd be fantastic. We'll play with that. I can throw another quiz up for you guys on Thursday.
Another one?
I'm not. Not today, unfortunately. Today's insane. Tomorrow though. Same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow that you came yesterday at like 2 or something like that. I'll be in there tomorrow. What were your insults? There was a lot going on.
Oh, my bad.
I know, but you're... Thanks. It should excite you. It's a beautiful thing.
Thank you.
You got it, Jerry.
Yeah, Isabel had that one.
She would.
Corrected exams.
I did. You can hawk through here and find your list. Wait, is this you guys? Yes. I think everything down at the clip is. Please turn this off so we don't get blind in there.
So I was thinking about last class, 1.5 standard deviations away from mean is.
Well, you're getting too. First of all, these are definitions, not.
Okay, so it doesn't apply to.
It doesn't apply. If you're doing standard deviations, 2 standard deviations for mean is the cutoffs. The 1.5 is the one that applies to the box plot.
Okay, and then the whiskers are
the whiskers are the max and min values, but you would apply the 1.5 IQRs on the quartiles to get out to there.
Sweet.
Okay, but don't get too hung up on the 1.5. Just use your modified box plot to find those.
That's what I was thinking. I
just use those.
I went home after that, and I kept thinking about 1.5.
That's because somebody sent it up to me. That's why I like probability more than statistics. Probability happens, whatever you say is fine, but it's going to happen regardless. Statistics, it's created in 1.5 because somebody said it was. That's what's commonly used. Why? I don't really know. To tell you the truth, I don't know because I can't even look at the data sets underlying it because it works for every data set. It's not like it's a bell curve. I have to look at the entire realm of data sets and I can't do that. So for whatever reason, that's the one that gets set up.
Okay, nice.
Don't have a better answer for you than that, unfortunately. Cool? Cool. Cool. You're the man now. You're the man. What's up, Sam?
So, you shouldn't be worried.
This is beautiful. Over 100 years, 17. I love that. I love that. Oh, because at least one, right? You still have up to 5 more registered. That's exactly what I'm looking at, my friend. And then what's interesting is you actually answered part of this question in this one, didn't you?
So I can just put about.
Of course, because it essentially is. I think in your project I put it like 99 and then a bunch of 9s and a 4 or something. Okay. You got it, sister. You got it. Perfect.
I have to bring in a data set that my husband is actually collecting at work. He does works on airplanes.
Okay.
On the airport. So then he says it's hard. What's the price of the when they first started out, the lower model serial numbers to the larger parts changed because the parts are changing and
and they have to add more numbers to allow for those possibilities.
And now there's a more standard way of building the plane than there was. So there's a correlation with the earlier ones where they cost more to do annuals, like $30,000 versus like 20 for the new one. So it's a fun.
Then you could do like an adjustment for like inflation and things like that. Like if it takes like 10 years to get from 20 to 30,000, you could say, yeah, it's $10,000 more now, but if you adjust for inflation, it's maybe not much more at all.
Right.
It's kind of like how TIs have, amazingly enough, they cost more, I believe now, than they did in the 80s when you account for inflation, which is patently absurd, but we keep buying our crap, so it's not much of it. You hear me, TI? So, anyway, that is a cool data set. I love to see it. I love being able to kind of slap that kind of idea down and analyze it because some of the stuff can seem very arbitrary and antiseptic, but if you do it that way, like the energy drinks or that, then all of a sudden it's like, okay, I kind of care about this.
Yeah.
Love to see it. Thank you. What's up, Keith?
All right.